Excel Pre-K is a comprehensive pre-K curriculum designed around the latest research in early brain development. The curriculum is aligned to state and national pre-K learning goals and standards and is designed to develop in children a lifelong love of learning. Written by nationally acclaimed early childhood expert Dr. Pam Schiller, Excel Pre-K includes 36 weeks of instruction designed specifically for children ages 48 to 60 months. Activities are presented in 9 thematic teacher guides. Each weekly lesson plan includes options and choices for planning each day's learning adventure. The day begins with the morning greeting circle where children unite as a school family. This is followed by a daily morning message designed to teach foundational literacy skills. Throughout the day, children enjoy read-alouds and explore hands-on math and science activities. And of course, there are plenty of active moving and learning experiences. Practice centers offer opportunities to reinforce skills taught in group lessons while children explore creativity, invention, and problem solving. Excel Pre-K features a strong social-emotional component that builds caring school families and develops compassionate, happy learners using Dr. Becky Bailey's conscious discipline. Each day begins with the morning greeting circle that follows a consistent routine where children unite as a school family, use calming strategies to help manage the stress that can interfere with learning, connect with their peers, and commit to practicing specific social skills that help make them responsible members of the classroom community. What a great way to start the day! A daily morning message supports phonological awareness, alphabet knowledge, and concepts of print, using a focus sentence for the day that highlights the theme's topic and the focus letters for the day. Excel Pre-K offers 2 read-aloud lessons each day. Lessons use a before, during, after framework to optimize the read-aloud experience and offer opportunities to activate prior knowledge, practice oral language, reinforce vocabulary, develop comprehension skills, and make personal connections to the stories. Excel Pre-K includes an entire literature library to support read-aloud lessons. The library includes dozens of colorful and engaging books, magnetic story folders with interactive props, and an entire collection of listening and participation stories. Excel Pre-K also includes a collection of resources that feature beautiful photographs to support vocabulary development. Rebus posters support children's ability to follow step-by-step directions. Photo activity cards offer thematic images, discussion starters, and rhymes and finger plays. Alphabet wall cards are perfect for creating a letter wall from A to Z and posting the thematic vocabulary cards each week. Excel Pre-K provides purposeful, engaging mathematical investigations and activities that build upon children's informal understanding of patterns, number, measurement, and shape. Science for Young Children, which is about the process of doing and thinking, is woven into math lessons. Through hands-on explorations, children learn to ask questions, observe, predict, and evaluate. There are plenty of opportunities for children to move, sing, laugh, and play throughout the day. Frog Street Pre-K includes hundreds of songs and a variety of moving and learning activities, including games and creative drama to support each theme and physical development skills. Excel Pre-K offers weekly practice centers to give children opportunities to make choices, work cooperatively with others, and solve problems. Each center provides opportunities to individualize instruction, scaffold learning, and informally assess children's progress. Frog Street has partnered with ABC Mouse for Schools to offer exclusive and customized playlists aligned to the Excel Pre-K curriculum. Now you can accelerate growth in your classroom with the #1 digital learning program for young children. Planning your week using Excel Pre-K is simple. Weekly lesson plans offer the perfect blend of structure and flexibility. The online portal offers 36 editable weekly lesson plans so you can customize a plan to accommodate your personal classroom needs. In addition to customizing lesson plans, Excel Pre-K offers point-of-view suggestions in the teacher guides for differentiating instruction to support children with special needs, English language learners, and multiple learning styles. Excel Pre-K includes many resources to make implementation easy and fun, including a privileged gateway to the online portal to access the extensive music library, ebooks, planning tools, assessment, and more. Excel Pre-K belongs to the family of Frog Street Early Childhood Resources that offers program continuity for young learners from birth to age 5. Excel Pre-K supports all children in reaching a deeper understanding of new skills and concepts by making connections across all learning domains as they create, build, explore, and develop a lifelong love of learning. Call Frog Street at 800-884-3764 or email us at info@frogstreet.com today to find out how Excel Pre-K can meet your needs.